Hi, today we are going to see demo for Women Security Android app. So first open exam control panel and here we are using two server Apache and MySQL server. So you have to click on start Apache and start MySQL. So once it is started, you can see a green signal in the exam control panel. To see the backend database, you have to click the admin button. Once you click the admin button, it will promote you to the web browser and you can able to see the MySQL database. It is just loading. So just refresh it. So it is opening now. So in the left hand side you can see your project database woman 3 is our database. If you select your database, you can able to view the project tables. For example, login table, you can able to see who are all registered to this app. So if you make a registration from a emulator, that database will be stored over here. So next move for the, let's open Android Studio. Yeah, so this is our Android Studio. In the left hand side you can see your project source code inside a web folder. So inside the JS folder you can able to find the Angular, JavaScript, Android coding. So this is our core Android coding. So below the minimize button you can see a small mobile logo, that is AVD manager. You have to open the AVD manager and here you have to select the Android device and click on the launch button. So once you launch the Android emulator, you will get this Android emulator window. So it will take some few seconds to load, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. You have to wait for it. Okay. So here you can find your project Women Security. So now we have successfully opened our application. So now it is opened. So here we have three roles. So this is how you have to open the project. Here we have three roles like user, admin and police officer. So let's start with the admin login. The credential for the project will be available inside your project source code. So go to your root directory, project directory. So here I have given you the readme file. So you open the readme file and here you can able to find the admin login details. So the password is admin@gmail.com. So go to the admin@gmail.com and password is test. So login successful now. So admin will be having many features, like they can able to manage the user registration details, guardian details. They can able to monitor the guardian details and all complaints from the user side will be visible, and the admin can able to add the police officer login ID and be managing the police station details. Okay. Add users is they add police stations. Okay, and we will start from the bottom, like you can able to add the categories and divisions. So let's go for the category model. So category is nothing but the complaints category. Like you will be, you can create your own categories like harassments, enforcing officers, accidents, roadside problems, social media, and others. So if you want to delete or update it, you can able to do it. You can delete the categories, and if you want to add your own categories, means we can able to add it. So I'm just adding a new one. Click on the create category. It is created now. Okay, so here you can able to dynamically add the categories over here. So next one is the divisions. So division is nothing but the town or city, okay, where the complaints is going to handle. So you can manage, for example, yeah, Chennai zone or Pune divisions or Mumbai divisions. So you can create your own area, whatever the area you need. For example, I'm going to add a Delhi, like A1 station, like Delhi station, and create it. So it is now created successfully. If you want to update or delete the station, you can able to do it. Next, we can able to add a police officer now. Click on the add users. So here you have to enter the police officer name, email ID, and station address. So here we have four types of stations, like crime, traffic, law and order, or women's, like that. So I just selected crime, and you have to specifically choose the station divisions, so that the station will be handling the particular complaints. So if the complaints coming from Delhi, so the Delhi ID will be handling those complaints. So submitted, it is created successfully. So once you create it, you can able to manage in the view officers, okay, in the view police station. So here you can able to view complete details, whatever the police officer is available. You can click on the more option to see the full details. If you want to update it, you can do it. So in more option, you can able to view complete details. If you want to filter the police station, here you can able to search by means of divisions, user type, and the search option. Okay. So if you select the division, there will be a drop down is coming. So we have added a new Delhi. You can see. So I have selected Mumbai. You can shout out the divisions whatever you want. So here also you can search by name, email ID, phone number. You can search by any field over here. So I'm searching Arun. I can see the Arun details. Okay. Next part is all complaint details. So in the all complaint details, so all the complaints coming for these stations will be displayed over here. So here also you can able to filter by divisions or status over here. So you can export the details from the web application. So you can't export it from emulator. So here you can able to see the complaint ID and complaint and name, address details, contact details, and what is the complaint category, and status of the complaint, the detail of the complaint, and then what is the created date, status, and you can download the proof that you can do in the mobile app only, and the close to date and the customer feedback for it. Okay, you can see all the details for a single complaint. And usually the admin can able to view all the registered user details, so who are all has been registered, and the last location of latitude and longitude, and they can able to view the guardian details too. So whatever the guardians they have added, you can able to view the guardian details. So this is what for the admin module. We have completed the admin module. So next we will move for the user login now. So let's start with the user registration module. So you click on the user registration. Now go for the, so you have to fill up the basic user details. So it is registered successfully. So I have registered a new user. Okay, so that is anu@gmail.com. and password is test. So while you are logging, the latitude will be captured from here. You can able to view the red bubble. So here we have three main modules. You can able to search your nearby police station, and you can add your guardian details. They will be receiving the SMS alert from my geolocation, and you can able to create your complaints from the application. Okay, and you can check your status in the my complaint. So three main modules. You can search your nearby police station, you can send the guardian details and the complaint module, and you can manage your my profile details. In the my profile you can able to update your email ID or password. So let's start with search police. So here you can search by area, your city or district wise or mobile number name wise. You can search by anything. So for example, if you want search Mumbai, you can search Mumbai over here. And if you want to add a guardian details, click on the add guardian and enter your mobile number, and you should enter a real mobile number so that you will be getting the SMS. To send the SMS you should have internet connection, and the email function alert will be working in the mobile device only. So you can send an email from emulator. You can view the guardian details in the view guardian. If you want to delete it, you can delete, or if you want to share any emergency photo, like you have stuck with any area, if you want to share that photo proof, means you can click on the upload photo and add your photo, browse it, go to your SD card, and in the download buttons you can able to find the image. So it is uploaded successful. So I'm just uploading a test image, so you can share the area kind of image. So it is just a test image. Next you can share your latitude to your guardians. Go to the my geolocation, and in the you have to click on the SOS button, SMS and email alert. So it will trigger you the SMS for the registered guardian mobile number now. And you can create the complaint from online, create complaint. So automatically the today current date will be coming up, and you have to choose your division. For example, I'm going to raise for Mumbai location, and what is the category, like social media or harassment, like that. So I'm just writing a complaint against a social media related complaint. So my complaint is wrong abuse content, and you just have to enter the address detail over here. and submit it. So the complaint has been created successfully, and you can manage the status, or in the my complaint details the status is under progress for the today date. If you want to upload any proof kind of thing, means it is optional, you can upload in the upload proof option, and I'm just uploading the same image. Okay, so you can upload the proof, so they will update the status whether it is completed. You can provide the rating or like the feedback for the complaint, so you can choose the star rating and click on the comment. So that's all for the user module. Okay, so let's sign out from the user module now. So let's move for the final module of police login. So police, we have registered a complaint for Mumbai, so that I'm going for Mumbai login now. So mumbai@gmail.com and password is test. So the police officer will be having one module, complaints. So whatever the complaint coming for their particular division, they can able to view it. They can't see the Delhi complaints, they can see only Mumbai complaints. So complaint ID, category. So just now we have registered the new complaint. So the status is under progress now. So once the status is completed, they will move the status to completed, like that. Okay, so it is under progress, it is moving to completed now. Updated successful. So that's all, the complaint has been closed now. So the same status will be reflecting in the user module, and as well as for the admin status too. Okay, so that's all for the explanation of human security. Hope you have understood. Thank you so much, and